Beautiful people, welcome back again to another video. If you are new in this channel, this is Prince Sharon Entertainment, a home of freedom fighters. If you haven't joined our family yet, join the family by hitting the red button down below on the bell notification icon, so whenever we have a new video in this same channel, you will get notified. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I love you all. So my people, I have a video here that I want you all to watch, and I myself will be watching with you in this particular video. Feel free to let me know what you think about this video in the comment section below. Like and share this video, and I will see you again in my next video. Bye.
Some of the things that this old fool called Edwin Clark, that idiot wey dey like dog wey dey comot water for nose. That foolish old fool we don't old, we supposed to just waka, go one place, dig ground, put himself, make it just die. Make nobody even see as he carry that. That foolish old man. I get he senior my father. He no senior my father now. He senior my father. Edwin Clark no senior my father. My father not there as useless. He not there as stupid as Edwin Clark dey. Old man, my father still there alive. They're very smart, very agile. Very smart, very agile. Because of all the evils where this evil old man, where we say he see grave, he no green enter. This evil old man, we're supposed to just enter grave happily enter grave, go die, throw away, cover himself with sansan. Foolish old man. You Edwin Clark. The never born leader when the war starts. You don't see how useless you are. Even the stupid ashawo where the stupid journalists where they interview you. You know they sit where they even they look you. Maybe now wait to make you no one come our page be that. Because we for bring you come here, can't disgrace your life. We for bring you for, in fact, your children, they go to stone your grave. The kind disgrace will forgive you. And the people will advise me, you know, come. Time that person very well. Say, you know, literally come. Foolish old man. Foolish old man. Nothing say your children escape our wrath. They're not going to escape our wrath. Your children they go feel our wrath. Your children. That is if they exist. So this man say they exist. I think say you don't die. Foolish human being. When leader you for talk now, when leader when another kidnap leader, when another kidnapper, you for talk. They come water for nose like dog. They come water for mouth. Wait till be your age, small boy like you, foolish human being. If not like this, old people they be, I go come. I no go pray make I hold be that now. Stupid human being. Now if he came out, they insult leader. Okay, now we shall see. No, maybe okay, I think I will get the video now, so I'm going to play the video. Very useless human being, eh? Very useless human being. He did like dog. Not to say he did like dog. He not dog. He do to say he did like frog. Old fool. Frog. See as they come out water for man. Like dog, all this bulldog, all this ugly dog way, all this white people they train for you. Very ugly dog. They come out water for nose, they come out water for mouth. Very foolish human being. If not like this old people they be, I go pray make I hold. Who won't hold this kind of foolish oldness?
What do you think about IPOB? Their leader.
Then no worry, I think that they ask them what they think. Na soon go soon hear am.
They are not the IPOB to me. is not pursuing the right thing. When this war was fought, I told the IPOB leader, he was not born at the time.
Now they see this old
I've
fool.
never met him, but I have challenged him, and he has also challenged me that I was a slave of the land.
You are a slave. It's not that he challenge you. You and leader they do challenge. Thunder will fire you. Foolish old man. You and leader go do challenge. He no challenge you. He they tell you how your life they useless. Edwin Clark. Nnamdi Kanu they tell you how you they carry how useless you are. Now wetin Nnamdi Kanu they explain they give you with that. Nnamdi Kanu they explain to you how useless you are, how disgraceful you are to your generation. He say in the challenger, Nnamdi Kanu not see better. Now your godfather, now your papa for not. Now them he and Nnamdi Kanu they do challenge. No be old frog. Frog. He dey like dog where they come on water for nose. He dey like dog. He no even come be like he no even come dey like fine dog. He come dey like ugly, all this ugly dog. Where be say when you see them, you no go fit eat. They hear it. I get old man. In fact, make I even look for my father photo self. Make I look for my. I don't know as I fit do this thing now. I will just even enter like true system self. Very foolish human being. I get father where be saying na be age mate. My father not dey like bulldog like this. They come water for nose and mouth. Foolish human being.
They are very unrealistic.
Hear the question again. Just hear the question again.
What do you think about IPOB, their leader, to come up from Nigeria?
They are very unrealistic.
As he hold rich, they see the knock am for yash. They see they knock this old fool for yash. As he hold rich. Now he make am dey comot water for nose and mouth. Foolish human being. He branded. Nothing he branded. Nothing he branded me. Very useless human being. If Thunder, God forbid, I reject it. Person like you, if you be my papa, I'll just dig grave for you, put you inside farm where dog, where they train goat and pig. Where they train goat and pig. That day I go just dog, dig, put you there. I'm not gonna even cover you. I go let pig flex your body. Foolish human being. Even pigs say they not go gree eat you. Because they go become more bigger if they eat you. They go become more useless if they eat you. Very useless human being. See, he knows like hippopotamus. Around when.
He has a good fight.
Yeah, he has a good fight. Okay, he has a good fight. Have you ever really support the fight? You are now 17, whatever. How many years you even say you carry fight for zoo? You say you fight for zoo for good 70 years where you don't serve your husband there for your slave masters there for the north. Have you ever really talked about or even mentioned this good fight that this man has been fighting? Very foolish human being. For your mind say, they don't hold Nnamdi Kanu. They don't hold Nnamdi Kanu. No, my money can continue. My money can continue. I think they don't boast. This foolish man, you see Aboki, you see this Fulani Janjaweed, they know they pity human being. Either you old or you young. People where they feel rape old woman they feel rape them. Now they no go rape this. Now they no go lash this old fool for yash. They don't lash yash. So the foolish man, you know they only come on water and blood for yash again. Now they come on water for nose and mouth. Maybe they even they chook prick for his mouth and nose. This guy is a very useless human being. person go hold like this, come they talk. Don't fire this man. In fact, the day where be say if they bury you after Biafra come, I go dig your grave. I go dig your grave. If you say I go to a pool, I go dig your grave. Bring you, come outside, give you to carry you go swamp where pig and this thing they throw your useless dead body there. Foolish human being. See as mouth be. See mouth.
The youths of the East have been neglected. The people of the East have been neglected.
So you know.
They have only 5 states.
Yes.
And others have.
Now where you Biafrans, this is where you will know that all these are unrepentant demons. All this one, you know the demons where Jesus cast for one man for body for inside Bible. The pig where he cast the demon, now this man generation eats that pig. So the demons they generate from one generation to another generation, from one generation to another till he reach this foolish. And I believe say he don't also give birth to another pig. Politics, that is all this one, they don't even the killings, they don't be anything to them. I just look how these people, and you don't near your grave, you know, even if you do something where you say it go there remarkable. And if you go this foolish boy, this foolish old fool, if you go in hometown, if you go in hometown, you go cry. I say you go cry.
Other regions have 6. One in fact has 7. Based on what? Nobody knows. So for
even
every
they talk off key
that's being made in this country, the Igbos are changed. If you are distributing universities and
see wait, men are not to say I dey lie you. You see all this place now water. If to say no be say I dey play this thing like this way, enough for they see the way men are go watch the news well for BBC now. Enough for they see the way water they pour come out for this idiot's mouth. He knows don't fool for water. He mouth then the fuck out. You see as his nose big like hippopotamus. Fulani they chook something inside his nose. They knock am for nose, they knock am for mouth, they knock am for anus. Foolish old man. You don't old. Fulani not see they pity you. They see they knock you for anus. Mumu. Foolish human being. Go they wear pampers. Now only God know how many pampers where they use. This one cannot go even for use pampers. The kind pad where they go arrange for this old fool nyash. The kind pad where they go. In fact, na pin. They go they do in part as he they foolish like they go they do in part separately. Foolish human being.
5 states, the 5 universities. Southwest will have 6. Southwest will have 6. Northwest will have 7.
Now politics just fool this man brain. Not the well-being of his people. Not the well-being of his people. We are talking about lives and properties here. You are talking about states where you can steal more. Just imagine that this kind of person, na him they decide for my life, for my future, my unborn generation. Since God go punish devil. As you do all this thing, God no go forgive you. Foolish human being.
Who's formed the 3rd leg of this country when this country was created. So they have a good fight. They have a good
you say, don't they clean the water?
Complain.
Foolish man. Clean. They tell you for back of camera. People in the back of camera, they tell and say, me clean the mouth.
The South, they part of mouth.
Now, towel, the foolish old food, they carry the waka now. Towel. Now towel, now in the foolish old food they carry the waka. You see as they clean him mouth. Foolish. Maybe in the lick lollipop now. They give a lollipop make it leak. Nonsense human being. See as it be like dog. All this ugly dog. Ugly. You know all those dogs where you say if you see them, you don't go green eat again. Now those kind of dog this idiot be.
Because this is something we talk over and over again. So if them come out,
that what is it?
that are they part of Biafra?
How can they be part of Biafra?
You know, they hear this foolish human being. And inside that delta, so when they want to speak for, so you are a minority inside that delta. Very foolish human being. See him mouth like pants. Ay God. Devil, eh? You see this Lugard, so thunder we go fire this Lugard. Thunder we go fire this Lugard. Kai. He really calm down. He really calm down, select all this efulefu for us. Very useless.
Yeah. In what way?
You sure say no be Fulani they remote this man brain. They go set time anything way they said put na him go work. Foolish human being. I believe say he go even the smell for that place where he dey. He go the smell. They like mess. See as his face be like his face be like mess.
Is Biafra older than Delta? Are they bigger than Delta? How can River State become part of Biafra?
Foolish human being. Foolish human being. In that foolish river, you go to where they call river wey go literally carry you go. Carry your dead body because now even edge of river or for inside swamp. Now there we go literally go bury your dead body put. Foolish human being. How does river see him mouth? See him mouth like pants. He face can't dey like mess. He dey like mess. Foolish human being. See nose like hippopotamus. He don't carry hot heat helmet, carry cover in brain. Cover head, cover brain, join them. Foolish human being. If not like this, people they hold. People go grip pray me they hold. Foolish human being.
No.
No. Who is the vice president? Who is the vice president and the second president of Biafra? Foolish human being. The thunder will go fire this man, eh? The thunder, God never kill him now. Never kill him now because we won't make this, because this man, eh? We go put na dog, pig, and then go chop it dead body last.
Region of those days of pre-independent, the time states were created. So he's a young man. But let me say this before I finish on that IPOC. I hope the federal government will give him a fair.
Thunder for the may Ogun kill you there for foolish. The federal government give him a fair. Thunder go fire your generation. Even in another talk, they not born they were make they do anyhow. All of now we go wipe all of now come out. You not be human being. If anything doing them, any of now deserve to live again. None of now we deserve to live. In fact, no black human being deserve to live. Foolish human being, foolish creature. How God create this one now? Men are looking. How God carry? How they go say this one are God?
Thank you so much for watching that particular video. Feel free to let me know what you think about this video in the comment section below. Like and share this video again. And I appreciate each and every one of you who always share my video, who always come back to support this platform. I do appreciate you all. May God Almighty bless you. I will see you again in my next video. Bye.